Hello students, how are you? I hope you are doing very well because all of you are excited regarding notification of JEE mains. Already JEE mains NTA launched your registration process and JEE mains registration process is going on. So I think I should do something for you, right? So basically, today I'm going to start your JEE mains series. I have already started some tablet course for JEE mains student. So students, just I'm suggesting to everyone. Today I'm going to start JEE main series every day as per my time suitability. I'll make a video for the different questions which already came in the JEE mains examinations, right? So don't waste the time, let's start. So basically I'm going to start your JEE mains series questions from NLM. It's a very you can say important topics. It's a very useful concept. It's a very you can say basically it's a very basics points which you have to learn, right? Because without concept of NLM, with this NLM also useful in friction. So without basic concepts of NLM, you can't do and solve any basic concept question which already asked in JEE mains examination. So let's start with some basics and common example. So basically, I'm going to tell about JEE mains examination questions which already came in the what JEE 2004, right? Basically, JEE in 2004 only AI triple was held, but nowadays after 2012 JEE AI triple E combined with what JEE, and this is a part of JEE only. JEE has a two part, only JEE mains and JEE what basically advanced. So I'm going to share a question with you. This is already came in JEE 2004. This is what JEE 2004. So what's the question? It's a very common questions. I hope all of you know, but some question has a some students has a doubt. Sir, how to make a equation? I don't know how to make a equation. So please wait complete video, right? And if you have any doubt, any queries related to these questions, you can just comment in the comment box. I'll be online. If I'll see your comment, I'm very excited to help you, right? So this is a question. Just say this is the pulley block, right? This is a pulley block questions. So this is what pulley blocks questions where there is a pulley which is frictionless, right? And this is connected through two block, and block has a different masses. So this is what say block which is the mass 4 kilogram, right? And another has a mass, this is what basically 5 kilogram. This is just I'm telling to some information already given in the question. Like string is what you can say massless, right? Pulley is frictionless. And I'm here because not there is a mention G you have to consider in the calculation T 9.8 meter per second square, but I'm going to consider basically G is equals to 10 meter per second square because it's easy to calculate now. So I'm considering G is equals to 10 meter per second square, but there is a question has mentioned G is equals to what basically 9.8 meter per second square, but I'm going to consider for numerically easy calculation this is a 10 meter per second square. Got it? So let's start begin with the question how to solve. So what is the agenda of the questions, right? In this question you can find both of the things, but JEE already asked only find acceleration of blocks. What students, what JEE demanded basically in this question, this is what acceleration of the blocks means you can find whole system acceleration, right? So this is a questions. I hope you understand what is the scenario of the questions. Now I'm going to deal with the questions. You can just this is a basically I'm going to with the concept. In this question, I'll not solve the question myself. I'll also explain what is the concept which is included in the questions and how can you apply the questions, right? So this is what step number one. What? I'll explain the question with the help of step by step, right? This is the way to understand to you. So what is, I'm going to erase some data. I hope you have written. Still you don't write, right? So you can take a screenshot. So I'm going to further proceed the question, right? So this is what basically step number one. So what is the step number one of these questions? Student, this is what step number one. So I am going to make FBD. Some informations you can say as per the questions you can tell. This is going in upward directions naturally. This is going in what? Downward directions naturally. This is going in upward directions with acceleration you can say a meter per second square, because single string both are connected through a single string. So this is a naturally you can say acceleration is remain same. If string is common, so we can say also tension is remain same. So the 4 kg block is going in upward direction with the acceleration a meter per second square. This is a target you have to find. What is the acceleration of the system? Next is what? 5 kg block a meter per second square. Right now you can show tension in the string. I hope you have studied well. You have or you can follow the books, materials, guidance of your teachers. So you know, in a single string, tension is remain same. In a single string, tension is remain same because it's a what you can say basics point about tension in the string. If a string is a common, you can see this is the point, this is a point, this is a point, this is a point. These all points are common. If these all points are common, so I can say tension is remains same. So I can say student, tension is what basically remains same. Tension is what basically remains same, right? Chalo, this is what basic information related to questions which I have already described. So now I am going to tell FBD. You can make first FBD. बोले तो not Faridabad, it's a free body diagram. What? Free body diagram. So this is what FBD of 4 kilogram. FBD of what? 4 kilogram. Okay, so this is what 4 kg block. This is a student 4 kg block. You can see here, you can see this is what tension is acting in upward directions. This is the tension which is connected, string is connected to the block, and block is moving in right directions with a meter per second square. Okay, so how we can judge? How to form the equation? This is a very critical point to formation of equation, right? So you can say you can apply the basics formula and you can judge the after that you can write the equation of this block. This is the mass of the block as 4 kilogram. You can say basically summation of F net which is equals to MA. What, a student? Summation of F net which is equals to MA. What does it mean? Right, you can forget one thing to show here, because what? 4 kg block also showing gravitational force, right? Mg. Bole to this is what you can say 4g. Now you can apply summation of F net which is equals to MA. You can see block is moving in right direction. If block is moving in right direction, means what? This is a greater force. So you can say this is a very critical point. Try to understand what I'm trying to convey you. Tension, block is moving in right direction. So F net, this is a tension T minus 4g. What, student? T minus 4g, which is equals to 4a. Got it? T minus 4g which is equals to 4a. So why are written here T minus 4g? You can say 4g minus t. No, it was wrong. Right? 4g minus t, it was wrong. Right? Because block is moving in right direction. So it is t minus 4g. This is your equation number 1. This is your equation number 1. I hope you understand what I explain regarding 4 kg block. Now I am going to explain, basically you can say 5 kg block. This is student basically 5 kilogram. So the tension is acting in upward direction. Naturally, this is a gravitational force 5g in downward direction, right? And what tension acceleration is also coming in a with acceleration a meter per second square in downward directions. Now you can say this is what again you can apply same formula as I told here. F net is equals to ma. If in a system there are a lot of force which is acting on the system, you can apply everywhere. F net is equals to ma. Some students ask, can I apply everywhere? As student, you can apply everywhere summation of F net which is equals to ma, right? So what is F net? Again, blocks is going down, so this is 5g minus t. So you can say this is 5g minus t is equals to 5a. Finally students, you have already find out two equation number 1 and equation number 2. Easily you can solve because there are two variables, tension and acceleration. There are two variables. You should require two equations. So finally you find out two equations. Now you can solve and finally you will get answer. So this is the step number 1 of this questions. Basically FBD of 4 kg, this is FBD of 5 kg. This is the equations of 4 kg block, this is the equation of 5 kg block. I hope you understand every process as per my caliber. I explain in a manner, right? So we can take a screenshot. After that I'll solve and finally I'll tell what is the value of tension and acceleration. So take a screenshot within a 10 second. Done? Okay, fine. So now basically I'm going to erase this all data in which I'm not interested. So basically I want only these two equations or I'll solve. So this is t minus 4g is equals to 4a, and there is equation number 2, 5g minus t is equals to 5a. Simply you can just add equation number 1 and 2, right? So this is tensions cancel each other. 5g minus 4g, this will become g, which is equals to 9a. So a is equals to, you can say, g upon 9, or I have already told you, I have considered g is equals to 10 meter per second square. So a is equals to 10 upon 9 meter per second square. So this is the answers basically asked in JEE 2004. If you find value of acceleration, so finally you can say what is the tensions. You can substitute the value of acceleration in any question first or other second. So finally you will get answer. So now I am substituting value of acceleration in equation 1. So what is equations? T minus 4g is equals to 4a. So this is t minus 40. I have taken here g is equals to 10, student. So 4 into a, this is 10 upon 9. So t minus 4t is equals to 40 upon 9. So t is equals to 40 upon 9. This is plus 40. This is plus 40, student. So this will become finally t is equals to 40 plus 360 upon 9. You can tell 400 upon 9. So what is your answers of tensions? You can say This is 400 upon 9 Newton. This is a mandatory, student. You can always consider units. Occasionally, minimum in a 25 questions of the physics, you will get 4 to 5 questions with the, if you know, if you have a command of the unit of 11th as well as 12th, so we can solve easily 4 to 5 questions with the help of units. There is a some questions like very ideology. If you have a command, you have a knowledge basics input, so finally you can deal with the any questions. So this is the basics agenda. This is basically I'm here helping you, so I'm going to solve these questions step by step for better understanding. So some informations I want to share with you, because I have already started some tablet course for JES parents. Some students already have joined. If you want to join, just comment in the comment box. There is options, you know very well. All of you are very smart. So like you everyone. So this is all about JEE main series number 1 questions. Tomorrow every day I'll update one by one question. So bye bye student.